So, are you interested in becoming a healthcare administrator? Whether you are a student looking for a major or a healthcare worker looking to advance, there are common skills you'll need to work in a lead role in a hospital, long term care facility, pharmaceutical company, or government agency. Let's get started. Number one, healthcare communication. It seems like communication is the foundation for everything, and it may even be more critical in healthcare. You'll find yourself in a lot of situations in which your ability to interact mindfully, tactfully, and accurately will have an important effect on patients, even if you aren't directly involved in care. You'll also need to know the language and be able to clearly exchange ideas with medical professionals. Finally, you'll need to be able to fine-tune strategic communications, whether it is negotiating with vendors or working with a board on funding proposals. The second skill is a deep knowledge of healthcare systems. Behind the scenes of most healthcare organizations is a complex network of insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, and an intersection with government regulations. A critical skill is being able to apply this knowledge in a way that benefits patients, the organization, and other stakeholders. Related knowledge includes understanding the unique organizational structures of healthcare organizations and how this intersects with culture and effectiveness. Like many organizations, healthcare is reliant on technologies, with many of these, such as billing systems and coding, unique to healthcare. And if you have been to a physician in recent years, you've probably signed a HIPAA form. Privacy has become a big deal in healthcare, and administrators need to understand and be able to apply processes to protect data. Finally, other growing areas include telemedicine, which expanded significantly during the pandemic. Running a healthcare organization requires the ability to analyze and reduce cost while maximizing the quality of care. It's helpful to have a strong background or understanding of budgeting in a large organization, as well as skills in figuring out how to maximize revenue streams through appropriate billing and insurance negotiations. One of the more obvious roles in healthcare management is leadership. You'll manage professionals and staff who are often under a lot of pressure, and having skills to motivate them so that they can function independently requires both educational theory and experience. You'll also be faced with many unexpected challenges and will need to know how to be decisive but act with the highest levels of emotional intelligence. Finally, you'll need to be a big picture thinker and able to lead the organization's strategy while still ensuring that details are approached with a quality mindset. While it is true that most of your time as a healthcare administrator will be spent in leadership, planning, and communications, it helps to have some clinical experience. Even if you don't have a background working in patient care, you can still gain this perspective through volunteer work or shadowing a doctor, nurse, or other healthcare professional. Any type of clinical research in behavioral health, patient outcomes, or health disparities will also be extremely helpful. Finally, to stand out, it's helpful to have some sort of skill that not every healthcare administrator has. This can be your unique focus of expertise where you are seen as the go-to person. This might be related to health education, community health, disease prevention, addiction treatment, digital media and marketing, fundraising and philanthropy, or even risk management. You can use both college electives and other work experiences to build this into an advantage that enables you to have a unique voice. Now that you've determined that you may be interested in a career in healthcare administration, it's time to take inventory of where the gaps in your skill set are. Through institutions in the University System of Georgia and USGE major, you can earn an online degree in organizational leadership with an emphasis on healthcare management. This program will provide you with the knowledge and many of the skills that you'll need for administrative and leadership roles in healthcare. If you need more information, an informal transcript evaluation from prior college work, or simply help applying to one of the University System of Georgia institutions who offer this program, please contact us. Once you enroll, you'll find an exceptionally supportive environment among both our staff and professors, along with multiple pathways to success. To learn more about our programs for healthcare administration, visit the link in the comments.